Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown on the S&P 500 on the futures market. So today is Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. The market is about to close in 5 minutes, and I feel like the last play of the day already happened, so I'm just going to do the breakdown right now and let the market come to a close. So let me break it down for you. So here I've got a 1 hour chart, and you can clearly see that we're in this giant uptrend. I had mentioned this a few days ago, how we got this bounce here, but then the last couple of days we had been in a bit of a downtrend. Well, we finally broke out of that yesterday, and then we started to trend down some more. So going in today, this was kind of our context. We're going in an uptrend. We break out of this downtrend, and so it looked like we were just coming to retest this area down here, and that's exactly what we did. So now let me show you a 5-minute chart and break it down a little bit further. All right, so here on a 5-minute, I'm going to start with pre-market. We started to sell off from about 4 in the morning all the way till about 7 in the morning. And at 7 in the morning, I saw this pattern where it just seems like a bottom pattern, where we hit a bottom here, it comes up, gets rejected, and forms another bit of a bottom here. And so it's kind of like one hump and then two humps, and then a big candle that kind of just breaks us out of this downtrend. And then we get a close above the 9. And so from there, I was like, okay, well, maybe the downtrend is over. I didn't take any longs here. I considered taking some longs here at 92, but just wanted to see the market continue and go on. It was still early in the day, so I didn't want to take any trades. But regardless, we do get a bounce here right off of the 9 moving average, and then into the open, we see a nice strong push up, and we get a close above VWAP. So I ended up taking a long somewhere over here, but I wouldn't consider this the first play of the day. It was just a long, continuation of this bullish movement. The first play of the day came a little bit after that, so I'm going to add this back on. So I put this Fibonacci chart from the bottom to the top of this range, and you can see that we pulled back about 50%. We got a bounce there at the 50% level, closed above the 30 moving average, and then we kind of just held this level. So this was like the first play of the day. It was a bit of a bull flag. So you can see we had the moving upwards, the down move, and then the continuation to the upside. So that was play number 1, and you could have got it again down here. I actually didn't take it right here, but waited for this spot right here. And so this was the spot where I was like, okay, now let's get in. So that was play number 1. Play number 2 is the exact same thing, another bull flag setup. So you can see that we have the pull here, a slight pullback to the 9 moving average. We consolidate sideways, and then we continue to the upside. So I put this here. So that was play number 2. And then play number 3 actually faked me out. So we started to consolidate sideways, and I was like, okay, well, maybe now the market's going to cool off. I wasn't sure if we were in a trend day today. It just seemed a little bit off. Obviously, looking back on it at the end of the day, yes, it was a trend day. So we start forming the support level. We have some bounces here. I ended up taking a short right here to see if we would break through. But then we bounced there again. And so we come and retest this area once more. And then I tried this short one more time. I got in a little bit early because I should have waited for a close below the support level. It starts to push down. I get in short like right here at 29. And then it came down to 26, but then got a strong push to the upside, and we ended up closing above the support level. So that's where I was like, you know what? I don't think this is going to play out. I cut my trade short. I didn't even let it hit my stop loss because I was like, no, this is probably just a fake out to the downside, and it's going to continue going up. So I should have switched to a long position, but I just decided that, that was my last trade of the day. And that's exactly what happened. We consolidate sideways, and you can see we had this nice strong move these last 30 minutes to the close, continuation to the upside. And so it just happened to be a trend day. We do have very important news tomorrow. Jerome Powell is speaking, so he's going to be delivering his FOMC meeting speech. So we'll see how the market reacts to that and see if we continue going to the upside or if we finally start to see this uptrend start to crack. But that's pretty much it. Hope you took some of these plays. I'll catch you tomorrow. I love you.